Hello, my dear friends. How are you? I hope that you are good. Today I am again back with the question answers of the chapter Mother's Day of class 11. So let us start. The first question is how is Mrs. Fitzgerald different from Mrs. Annie Pearson in looks and speech? Answer. Mrs. Fitzgerald was Mrs. Annie Pearson's neighbor. She is older and heavier in comparison to Annie Pearson. She has strong and dominating personality. She smokes and drinks. She speaks in Irish tone, while Mrs. Annie Pearson is in her 40s. She always wears a tense expression on the face. She speaks in a very soft tone with a local touch. Next question. How did Mrs. Fitzgerald utilize her husband's posting in the East? Answer. Mrs. Fitzgerald utilized the time in learning fortune telling and how to use magic spell. She used these magic spells in exchanging the body, which means the spirit of Mrs. Annie Pearson come in Mrs. Fitzgerald, and the spirit of Mrs. Fitzgerald come in Mrs. Annie Pearson. Next question. What advice did Mrs. Fitzgerald give to Annie Pearson? Answer. Mrs. Fitzgerald was a dominating person. She gave the advice to the Annie Pearson that put your foot down and be the boss in the family. Next question. What reply did Annie Pearson give when Mrs. Fitzgerald asked her to put her foot down. Answer. Mrs. Annie Pearson said that it is easy to say but difficult to do. Even though her family members were thoughtless and selfish, but they did not mean to be. She is fond of them, and she hated any kind of quarrel in the family. Next question. How did Annie Pearson was responsible for her own fate? Answer. Mrs. Annie Pearson was soft, loving, caring, but her children and her husband were thoughtless and selfish, but they did not mean to be. She wanted to correct them, but she was unable to do so because she did not want any kind of quarrel in the family. Next question. What was wrong in the Annie Pearson's family? Answer. The children and the husband of Annie Pearson were thoughtless, selfish, and self-centered. They take Annie Pearson as for granted. But Annie Pearson was opposite of them. She tolerated their behavior. She wanted that her presence and her work to be acknowledged. Next question. Then let me do this. What did Mrs. Fitzgerald want to do? Answer. Answer. Mrs. Fitzgerald wants to teach a lesson to the Annie Pearson's family members by becoming Annie Pearson, not the Mrs. Fitzgerald. Next question. What kind of personality does Mrs. Fitzgerald have? Answer. Mrs. Fitzgerald. Mrs. Fitzgerald was Annie Pearson's neighbor. She was very old and heavier in comparison to Annie Pearson. She has a strong and dominating personality. She smokes and drinks. She speaks in Irish tone. Next question. How did Mrs. Fitzgerald and Mrs. Annie Pearson exchange their personality? Answer. Mrs. Fitzgerald and Mrs. Annie Pearson exchanged their personality by using some magic spell. What was the immediate effect of magic spell? Answer. The immediate effect of magic spell was that the body of Annie Pearson and Mrs. Fitzgerald gets change. So friends, it is enough for today. I will come back soon with some more question answers of the chapter Mother's Day of class 11th. Till then, take care. Bye bye.